Kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. So another cool feature Samsung has added, which is I'm really excited about, is the live focus video mode on the video. You can see the bokeh. You can also adjust the blur if you want less blur or you want more bokeh effect. And there is also a glitch effect which you can add a blur. This is everything is in black and white and the person will be in the colored. And you can adjust the bokeh. You can see the blur effect. I mean, it doesn't work as a DSLR camera, but it's very close. The blur, as you can see, it's coming in the edges. But you can adjust the blur. So I think if you apply a medium blur, that should be fine. But again, I mean, for sure, smartphones are catching up with DSLR. See the blur effect here? Yeah. So this is awesome blur, you can see. Everything is quite blurry and the person is on focus. But here you can see the edges are, also getting blurred. So it doesn't have the DSLR effect, but it's very close. Now smartphones are coming all the way to compete with DSLRs. But yes, it has a very small sensor. I mean, even a point and shoot will have 1-inch sensor. But still, it's a very good software feature Samsung has added.
Hi, I'm recording a live focus video in Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So this is how it looks. Super clear, even you can see the body, everything is perfect. Actually, it's in the front camera of a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So enjoy.
I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.